Look how dark it is in here. Ew.
All right, day one of this
skylight. It's actually good light.
Day one of this no-name renovation. No name, no home renovation. And the first step that we take when we start a renovation is we mark everything we want out. So
Erin marks everything she wants out.
I mark everything. I use some a Sharpie, painter's tape.
Yeah.
And I go through and I mark everything that I want out. We did it together because you had a few ideas also.
I suggested taking one thing out that she didn't. Look how nice she is at me. It's so lovely.
All right. So day one is gut day.
Oh, gut day is the best day.
Yeah, gut day is the fun day.
Yeah, it totally changes everything. Then I always forget what they looked like beforehand.
Yep. So she's first thing we do is photograph it. So we photograph the before pictures. Then we mark everything we want out. Then we start gutting. So while you're working on the fifth wheel, yep, Mario's going to be in here, and he is going to start gutting his trailer.
Well, and your mom wanted to come gut it, so we can text her and see if she wants to come tear some things out.
Cool. All right, so here we go. So these are the things that we've marked to come out. The shower walls, the mirror, that's the bathroom. Bunks are coming out. We're going to open up this space to make it more functional so that it can be used as a room. Everything in the slide is coming out. Carpet, dinette, table, the valances, the border around the slide, the couch. A lot of these things we'll post on Instagram for free, so if anybody wants to come get them, they're welcome to come get them. We are taking out this entire middle unit right here. It's built really flimsy, and we know that because we lived in here.
We broke it.
We broke it a couple times. So we're going to take this out, make it more functional, keeping the TV and the stereo system in case we reuse it. And as for this front room, this is the least functional space in this entire rig. It was a nightmare sleeping in and staying in. So this entire room, we are going to gut it. We're gutting this whole space. So you can see it had this little tiny space right here where you can't really do anything. And then a little bit of a larger space on that side. When you laid in this bed,
we're in a cave.
We're in a cave, and you really couldn't get up out of the bed. So my dad had to make these handles and put these handles here so you could literally pull yourself out of bed.
That's right.
Because you can't swing your legs over the side of the bed. It was this room is horrible.
Yeah. And when we're done with it, it will be nothing like it. It'll be like a completely transformed place. That's crazy.
Yeah. So everything, and I'm running into walls because it's so tight. Everything in this space is coming out. If you swing around here, as for the kitchen, we are pretty much leaving most of the stuff here. Counter's going to come out. The sink's going to come out. This large storage space right here is coming out because it's really hard to access, and we'll do some open shelving there. But for the most part, everything else in the kitchen will stay. It is this amazing pantry over here, which is huge. The storage space in it was huge. Ooh, I put these in. We're totally taking those and putting them in our fifth wheel. I put those in when we lived in here. Those are those lights you can't buy on Amazon anymore.
That's weird.
Yes, if these are ever available on Amazon anymore, these are a must get. But I'm taking them because they're fantastic. So stay tuned with this renovation. We will share each and every detail.
This is going to be a good one.
This is going to be a really good one. And if you're looking for an RV, contact us. She's not sold.
So today is going to be day one of, what should we call this? The White Hawk renovation. Dun dun dun. So I'm going to get our good buddy Mario in here to start tearing this bad boy apart. So I'll take you in for a quick tour and then I'll show you some progress as we go. Here she is. This is the last moment that she'll be looking like this. By the end of the day, she should be gutted away. The hard part is to decide what to keep, what to throw away, what you want to try and use again. You know, it's kind of tough throwing everything away. Being someone who really loves the environment, that's kind of a struggle, but I kind of go, well, we're saving someone from going and buying another brand new one, so I hope that helps somewhat in this world. So yeah. Oh, you said it's hot.
I said it's hot. This place looks very different.
Holy smokes, I know. It's wild.
So, I taped everything yesterday and Mario came in today and gutted.
Yeah, you got a lot done.
He gutted. Like, big time gutted. He got the whole middle wall out.
And that was a big wall.
That was a big wall. It had a rotating TV, which was never used because it was too hard to unlock. Yeah. We could never figure out how to unlock it. And then all of this cabinet space, this room is
big
like,
now.
Yeah. It felt like a cave in here. Mm-hmm. So when we lived in this RV, between renovating our own... Okay. I know your hair is out of control. My hair's out of control. I have no room to talk. When we lived in this one for 3 months, River and I slept on this front bed. And it was like a cave in here. It was awful. It was totally terrible. So, the cave is gone. I love it.
Yeah, super. And I love that the wires are off to his side.
Yep.
That's good. Good.
So.
Oh, I can't wait to freaking get into it.
I know. My visions are
starting to explode.
Coming together. Good. So Mari did a great job. It is hot in here. It's got to be like 100 today. Cool. Mm-hmm. So what did you do today? Because while Mario's in here demoing this one, I
went and picked up a lot of the finishing pretty wood that I'll be using in the Meredith trailer. Wow, you're bouncing that thing around today.
I know.
Oh, that's going to be fun. Yeah, I was so excited when I was so excited when I got to the lumberyard because you could tell they just like restocked everything. So I had a lot to choose from. Sometimes it's slim picking, but today I got to pick like super pretty pieces.
What did you get lumber for?
The trim in the Meredith rig, all the trim. There's what, four slides in that rig. So I got wood for the trim. And I got wood for... Oh, you want to be in it? I got wood for some shells we're going to do in there. And some leftover wood that Bryce can build garden boxes out of. Or, what's he building?
He's building little succulent boxes for some family.
Yeah. So, yeah, it's going to be... The wood, I just oiled it up. It's freaking so pretty. It's as red as my beard, some of it.
We should give haircuts today.
Oh, yeah, you should give the boys haircuts.
I can do it.
I'm growing my hair out, bro. I'm gonna be like an 80s rocker.
Oh, it's hot. Alright, So, demo done, day 1 done.
Yep.
There's more of those censored lights. I'm gonna take those.
Take all the good stuff.
This is exciting.
Yeah, dude, I've wanted to do this trailer for so long. I can't believe we're getting to do it.
I
Like,
know.
you and I have talked about this rig and taking it apart for a long ass time.
Well, I think because we lived in it for 3 months, we talked about what we would do.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, if we could renovate, we'd take this out. We'd remove this. And so this is going to be such a cool, functional family rig. And the fact that it was my dad's, who's obsessive about taking care of his things, the outside and everything is so pristine. So,
well, and we know how good of a trailer it is because we freaking lived in it. And not only that, we traveled to Mammoth in it. We boondocked in it. We freaking spent time in Grand Canyon, took this trailer.
Yeah, it's a great rig.
Yeah, it tows amazing. It's a great freaking trailer, man. So
if you're interested, hit us up.
It's for sale.
All right, get back
Peace
to work.
out. Peace out.
Bye. Here is everything that got ripped out of this rig today.
Mario, it took me so long to freaking put that trailer in there.
Jeez.
Mario's like, it's gonna save me so much time, I'm gonna have to walk. And it probably saved him a lot of time.
That was so nice of you.
Dude, that breeze was so good. You can take my pants off.
Oh gosh. On that note. Haircut time.
Never.
Come on, it'll be so fun. It'll grow back.